Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a paint correction and ceramic coating on the Mustang GT, where I'm taking it into a shop to have it done. And I want to give you a little before and after. So the car is a little bit dusty and dirty right now, even though it might not look like it on camera. By the way, this is on my phone. The later part of this video will be shot on a GoPro. I left it at work. But I just want to show you guys what the paint looks like beforehand. This is called Rapid Red. I don't know if you guys can see. I mean, it's a little bit dirty, so that's the dirt, but can you guys see the little swirls, little scratches and stuff? Let's see if I can find a good angle for you guys. You can definitely see some swirls, some scratches, stuff like that. So obviously these cars come from the factory. The paint isn't perfect from the factory. And then once it goes through the dealership and they take it through their car wash and it's sitting on their lot and it's getting wiped down and stuff like that, you get more scratches. But I made mine worse because when I got my brake calipers painted, you can see there, I noticed the paint, when I washed it, the paint had like a rough texture, like the car's paint had a rough texture. So that only leads me to believe that whether when they were painting it or when it was waiting for me to pick it up, it somehow got overspray on the paint. So I looked it up online and I was like, how to get overspray off your car's paint, and it said a clay bar. So I was like, perfect. So I went to AutoZone and got like a $15 or $13 clay bar kit and clayed the whole car. And I was super happy because I felt the paint, it was smooth again. I was like, perfect, I did something on my own. And then the next day it's sunny and I have all these micro scratches. Hopefully you guys can see it there. I have all these scratches over the paint everywhere. All these micro scratches. Hopefully you guys can see it there. See the scratches. So as soon as I did that, I was like, oh crap, I screwed up my car. And I'm definitely not gonna try to do the paint correction and stuff myself, because you see what happens when I try to do stuff myself, I screw it up. So I'm gonna take this to get done. And this has a little bit of scratches on it. It's not too bad though, compared to some Mustangs where it's like super beat up. But this gloss black plastic is very soft right here, and this can get like really scratched up. You guys can see another view of the paint here. This spoiler is an eBay spoiler. It's not the nicest spoiler in the world, so I'm not really too concerned about the spoiler. But look at the paint. Hopefully you guys can see the scratches on it. Don't worry about the water spots, but just focus on the scratches. Hopefully you guys can see that. See all those little like scratches right there? That's over the whole paint. It looks terrible. So obviously the later part of the video will be shot on the GoPro, so it'll look much better. But I just want to show you guys a quick little beforehand before it gets the paint correction and ceramic coating. So I'm taking it to a local shop, supporting local businesses, of course, and see what they see how it comes out. And let me know what you guys think of the lowering springs. That was my previous video. I think they look fantastic. I wish it was a little bit lower in the back, but I think it looks really good. But anyway, let's hop in the car and go for a quick spin. What you guys think of that little cheesy rev and takeoff I did there. I used my water to hold up the phone as I took off. This exhaust is pretty loud. That is so funny. Oh my gosh, this car is so fun. I can't wait for it to be all cleaned up and the paint to be perfect, because previously, like, people would ask me, they'd be like, so what's next on the Mustang, or what are you gonna do next? Supercharger, you're gonna do this, or you can do headers. To be honest, and this might sound really lame and boring, but the only thing I wanted to do from when you guys previously saw my car is lower it and do a paint correction and ceramic coating, and then it's perfect and I don't need to do anything else. I already have my tune, I already can run E85 if I want to, I have the wheels and tires that I want, so I mean, that's pretty much it. So I mean, if you guys were expecting, well, I mean, there's not that many people that watch my Mustang videos anyway, but if you guys were expecting me to do like something crazy, not really. This is about it. I'm just gonna keep the car like this. I think it's perfect, and I'm gonna save up for the S650. Hopefully the S650 is very good and doesn't look bad and doesn't have crappy performance numbers and stuff like that. If it does, then I'm just gonna keep this thing and maybe save up for like a Corvette or something. But yep, that's about it for the Mustang. So I will catch you guys when I get to the shop. Hold on, let's smoke this Benz real quick. Oh my god, it's crazy the performance you get for the dollars on this thing. Wow. Let's see how it handles this corner with the lowering springs. Okay, here we go. Hang on tight. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That is really good. That is really good. See, the car is perfect as it is. At least I think the car is perfect as it is. Wow. But anyway, I'll catch you guys at the shop. Oh, gotta smoke the semi-truck, hold on. Oh my god, so much fun. What a blast. Got our little navigation going. Best upgrade, well, one of the best upgrades I've ever done on the car is upgrading to this bigger screen. Definitely upgrading to the bigger screen. Regent Stadium. It's massive. Big, what is that, circle? What do you even call that? Big dome? No, it's not a dome. And it isn't the Tropicana exit without someone standing here asking for money. The sun shining on it. Wow. Such a nice paint color. I mean, I'm biased because that's why I picked it, but wow. Another thing they did was ceramic coat the black plastic trim on the lower portions right here. You can see that's a lot shinier than it was before. They also ceramic coated, let me get out of the way here, this windshield cowl thing right here. They shined up the grill, the gloss black plastic right here, because sometimes that can be a little scratched up. But yeah, so much better, 100% worth it. All right, so let me know what you guys think of the paint correction and ceramic coating in the comments. I'll definitely be able to see how the water beads off it whenever it rains next here in Vegas. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.